Hello friend, welcome back to another unboxing video for video gear. Alright, super excited getting my hands on the professional camcorder from Sony. Let's see how it came, how it was packed, and what is in the box. Oh, it will be messy. Shoots. I'll try to minimize that mess. Hopefully it's possible. I'm not really happy to see these little pieces. Oh yeah, nice. But other than that mess factor, this is great protection for the camcorder, right? Wait. So I got rid of that outer box. You can see the condition of the box itself. And let's see what is inside. I bought this used from the seller who said it has less than 10 hours. So hopefully it's all perfect. Alright, let's cut the tape. My goodness, what is obsession with these little things? Look, more of this stuff. Ah, come on, people. Look at it. They just keep using this stuff, but maybe that's how it was shipped originally. These things have like a static electricity right in them, so they stick to the sides, and it's annoying to deal with it, but that's okay, no big deal. Okay, let's continue. This is supposed to be, I believe, just holding piece, right? We can see the camcorder itself, and maybe, oh yeah, it's nicely coming out. So I will gently put it down here. That's where it is, and let's look inside what we've got here and how it's packed. That was probably just a cradle for the camcorder, and I'm assuming the way it's packed here will be the accessories. So let's see. These are really important, right? If anything is missing, it will be always expensive to repurchase the missing pieces. So let's cross fingers that everything is here. We have a lens cap, which, tell me, why is it not on the lens when it's being shipped? Interesting, right? Here is the remote, right? Excellent. That's a part of the package. Here is a USB and mini USB cable. Here is the power supply, right? Which actually can go direct into the camera, which you can see here, right? Or there should be a charger. This is the cord for the outlet, and we are lucky. Here is the charger with the battery. It's a NPF 770, so it's not the smallest one, it's the medium size, right? You can have 750 or 790, so this is perfect. Medium, this is the charger I was talking about. Here is that plug which you can connect here, right, directly into each other, or you can charge the battery in the camera, or you can use it in your studio as a direct source. You don't have to use the battery. Here, nicely packed, all the manuals, so this seems to be complete. I'm very happy. Let's go look on that camcorder. Now, why am I stressed out so much about the accessories? I already bought one of these in parts and made a bunch of videos, right? But it came incomplete. This was non-correct Sony. It was missing a whole bunch of stuff, so I had to return it. So that's the reason why I'm so anxious to see that everything is here. Because to buy these pieces extra, it costs a lot of money. And of course, the most important piece is the camcorder itself. Of course, I agree with you. This is the thing which needs to be perfect. Oh, okay, so let's see. I can show you what they did with it. They slammed this on the lens. Hopefully it didn't scratch it, but it seems to that they took a good care of it. looking on that lens, seems to be absolutely really good shape. So this is fantastic. Now I see on the first look, this really confirms what the ad was claiming. It seems to be absolutely brand new. I don't see so far any scratches. Now what is important, right, it's the screen. There is a smooch on it, but other than that, again, it looks brand new. I'm very, very happy so far. Let me show you these views, right? I remember this was not installed correctly, maybe, is it? You see, they didn't fold it correctly. Oh no, they did, it just looks like that, you see? This is fantastic. So Viewfinder, as I said, beside this smooch, which is nothing, right? It looks brand new. This is not missing even the cover, right? Let's carefully turn it around. Here are the buttons. There's a tiny speck of the dust, but that means nothing. The lens looks beautiful, right? Everything seems to be brand new. So what I will go, of course, what I will do is I will put it in charger first, the battery, right? And fully charge it. Here is the bottom. Everybody can see that detail. The rings, everything really, really looks perfect. These covers are not missing, right? This is really important. Everything is in the place, even the clip here. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. It seems to be this was the right purchase, and the seller definitely represented the item perfectly. This looks definitely like less than 10 hours. I will fully agree on that. And here we are in the other room. You can see that charger at full function, right? This is the end of that source cable which provides that voltage, and it can either go here in the charger or it will plug on the back of the camera, so you can charge the battery either here, which I prefer obviously, or inside of the camera. And if it's like all other Sonys, when it's orange, that means it's charging. When the battery is fully charged, it goes off actually, so there's no light. But I personally appreciate that it came with this complete manual. This is those 120 pages, right, which normally you can download online, the PDF form. You can study it right before you buy it or whatever. But this is so small. You can have it in your car, you can have it with you, right? And it's that full manual in this small size. So the battery is being charged. I was able to clean this LCD screen. It looks really brand new. Looking on the details, once again, the whole camcorder seems to be in excellent, like brand new condition, right? There's not one scratch visible to me so far. I totally dig it. This is fantastic. So when the battery will be fully charged, I will of course go through it, fully test it that it works correctly, and then start posting more video how to operate this incredible camcorder from Sony. So make sure you are subscribed and you are tuned in, because a lot about this camcorder is coming your way soon. Thank you for watching, my friend, and have a wonderful day.